Today, we're diving into a machine that doesn't just roll onto the road, it storms onto it. The 1965 Shelby Cobra Black Draft RT4 isn't just a car, it's a piece of living automotive history wrapped in raw muscle and timeless design. This is one of those rides that turns heads before the engine even fires up, and once it does, the sound alone is enough to make your pulse race. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this car means business. The Black Draft RT4 carries that unmistakable Cobra silhouette, low-slung stance, bulging fenders, and the kind of proportions that scream speed even when it's standing still. The deep, gloss black paint on this example makes it look like it was carved out of a single piece of midnight. Chrome accents glint around the grille, windshield frame, and side exhaust pipes, adding just the right amount of flash to break up the darkness. The wide racing stripes down the center are a nod to its racing heritage, and those polished Halabrand-style wheels wrapped in fat performance tires look ready to grip the road like their lives depend on it. Walking around the car, you can't help but admire how short and purposeful the wheelbase is. Every inch seems designed for performance, no wasted space, no unnecessary flair. The long, vented hood hints at the beast lurking underneath, while the aggressive side exhausts not only look menacing but also announce your arrival with a bark that can be heard from blocks away. This is a car that doesn't apologize for being loud, raw, and unapologetically old school. Slip inside, and you're greeted by an interior that blends minimalism with pure function. You don't get luxury trimmings or digital distractions here, instead, you're surrounded by handcrafted simplicity. Black leather bucket seats with white stitching hold you in place, and a wood-rimmed steering wheel sits proudly in front of you, giving you that authentic 1960s driving feel. The dashboard is laid out with classic analog gauges, speedometer, tachometer, oil pressure, water temperature, all easy to read and write where you need them. Aluminum toggle switches add a touch of vintage race car flair, and the shifter is positioned perfectly for quick, confident gear changes. Every surface you touch feels solid and purposeful. There's no sound insulation to muffle the growl of the engine or the roar of the side pipes, and that's exactly how it should be. The interior in a Cobra isn't about comfort, it's about connection to the road, to the engine, and to the sheer thrill of driving. That being said, Black Draft's craftsmanship ensures the fit and finish are far beyond what you'd have found in an original 1965 model. It's a modern build with a vintage soul. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where the Black Draft RT4 really shows its teeth. Under that long hood, you'll typically find a monstrous Ford the 5.8, often a 427 cubic inch big block or a high-performance 351 Windsor stroked out for even.